Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 quick and easy last-minute nail art designs for the 4th of July. And also, every single year I've been on YouTube, which is 6 years, I've made a 4th of July nail art tutorial. So I've created a playlist for you, so if you'd like to check out that playlist with all of the designs I've created throughout the years, check out the card on the top right-hand corner of your screen. So let's get into this video. This first design is going to be inspired by firecracker popsicles. So to start the gradient, I'm going to apply one layer of a really opaque white polish, and then to make sure that my nail is really protected from the gradient because they can get really messy, I'm applying a good layer of some liquid latex for cleanup. On a makeup sponge, I'm applying red, white, and blue slightly overlapping. Then I'm just dabbing the makeup sponge onto my nail, and I'm going to repeat this process just a few times to make sure that the gradient is completely opaque. Then I'm going to remove the liquid latex, and if any polish got on your skin like it did for me, I'm just taking a small cleanup brush and cleaning up near my cuticle. Finally, to smooth out the gradient, I'm applying a layer of top coat, and that's it. This next design is probably the easiest and requires no tools at all. So again, I'm starting with a pretty opaque white base. Next, I'm just taking the brush of my red nail polish and I'm lightly brushing it on top of my white nail polish, and I'm doing this horizontally for the red polish. And the key to getting a really light amount of polish on the brush is wiping most of the polish off of the brush as you're taking it out of the bottle. And for extra precautions, you can always wipe a little bit of the brush onto a piece of paper to get even more polish off. Then I'm just repeating the same steps with the brush of the blue polish in a vertical direction, and that's seriously it. I'm sealing in the design with a top coat, and it's super quick and easy nail art. For this next design, you're also going to want to start with a white base, and then I'm taking a striper tool dipped into some blue nail polish and creating some thin lines out from my cuticle, and then repeating those same steps with the brush dipped into red nail polish and a silver holographic nail polish. This nail art is super easy to create. All you really need is a thin brush. You can even create one yourself with an old nail polish brush if you wanted to, and the possibilities are endless. You can really do this nail art look with any colors, but I think it's especially fun for the 4th of July.
Little.
This nail art design is also really quick and simple, and really you'd only need a toothpick for this, but I do use a dotting tool. So I'm alternating painting my nails red and blue. With a white nail polish, I'm just creating dots all over my nails, and it's seriously that simple. And if you don't have a dotting tool, like I said, you could totally use a toothpick for this. I just think it's a really simple nail art design, but I think it's super fun and festive. That's going to do it for my 4 really easy last-minute nail art designs for the 4th of July. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, if you decide to recreate this nail art look, I would love to see your recreations, so you can either DM me on Instagram or tag me in your Instagram pictures. My Instagram is @theelizabethann. I'd love to see your recreations. So I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.